In this video, you'll learn how to buy Bitcoin using the Phantom Wallet. By following these steps, you will successfully purchase Bitcoin directly from your wallet interface. Begin by opening the Phantom Wallet in your browser. If you have not installed the extension, you'll need to do that first. Look for the Phantom icon in your browser's toolbar and click on it to access your wallet. Once the wallet interface is open, locate and click the button labeled Buy on the home screen. This option is typically displayed prominently, making it easy to find. After clicking Buy, you will be directed to a new screen where you can select the cryptocurrency you wish to purchase. On this new screen, find and select BTC or Bitcoin from the list of available cryptocurrencies. This action signifies your choice to acquire Bitcoin specifically. After you select Bitcoin, the interface will adjust to display the payment options available for this transaction. Next, you will need to select your preferred payment method. The options typically include debit card, bank transfer, and other supported payment methods. Choose the one that suits your needs best. After making your choice, the screen will update to reflect the payment details associated with your selected method. Now, enter the amount of Bitcoin you wish to purchase. Type in the desired quantity in the input field provided. Ensure that you double check this amount to avoid any discrepancies. The interface may also display the equivalent value in your local currency, which can help you confirm your purchase amount. After entering the amount, take a moment to review all the details of your transaction. Ensure that the payment method, amount, and any fees are correct. Once you have verified everything, confirm the purchase by clicking the appropriate button. This action will initiate the transaction, and you may see a loading indicator while the purchase is being processed. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.